Five little kittens in their cozy home woke up one morning and started to roam. Put on their mittens, but oh no, their mittens were gone. Where did they go? Meow, meow. Five little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Meow, meow. What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 no pie for us today. They looked in the cupboard, under the chair. They searched in the garden and under the stair. They peeked in a basket, up in the sky. Oh look, said one kitten, I see something fly. Meow, meow. The kittens found their little mittens and they began to smile. Oh mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Meow, meow, wow. What? Found your mittens? You darling kittens, then you shall have some pie. Purr, 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 we'll eat our pie with joy. Nom, nom, meow. Then five small kittens washed their mittens and hung them up to dry. Oh mother dear, look over here, our mittens clean and high. Meow splish, meow splash, washed your mittens, you clever kittens, but I smell a mouse nearby. Shh, meow, shh, we'll catch that mouse, oh my. Let's count the kittens one by one. One, meow. Two, meow. Three, meow. Four, meow. Five. Meow. Five little kittens, happy and neat, wearing their mittens and tapping their feet. Five little kittens, they lost their mittens. Meow, meow. What? Lost your mittens? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Now it's bedtime, snuggle in tight. Kittens are purring, sweet dreams tonight. Their mittens are clean